Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be going to the Dollar Tree and I will be making these little waffle cubes that I've seen everywhere on Instagram, and I just decided to make some. This is how I make them. I don't know how other people make them, but let's just go ahead and get started. I'm just looking through, and the first thing that I saw were these flip-flops, which they're so cute. I definitely recommend you to get them in large, and they have different colors and different patterns. The next thing that I found that was similar to those little cubes were these kneeling pads, which they look pretty similar. They are in the garden section from the Dollar Tree. They only had them in green, but you can find them in different colors. It depends all on your Dollar Tree. So here's just a little haul on what I got. I only got 3 flip-flops and 1 kneeling pad. So let's just go ahead and get started with the little slime tutorial, I guess. So I do have a basic slime tutorial on my YouTube channel, but I will be remaking that video very soon. So make sure they have a basic slime for this tutorial. You're going to cut the kneeling pad into little rectangles and then cut them in squares. You're going to be doing the same thing with the flip-flop, and then you can just add it into your slime. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a really big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment, like, and subscribe, and check out my Instagram, which is going to be in the description box down below. And if you guys didn't know, I also have a second YouTube channel, which I'll also leave down below. And if you guys try this, make sure that you tag me in it on my Instagram, and I'll definitely comment on your post and like it. Bye guys.